In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Roblox topic validation, fast and easy. Whether you're new to this tool or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you make informed decisions about the content you create or the games you develop. First, let's begin by heading over to Google Trends. Simply open your browser and search for Google Trends. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the home page of Google Trends. Once you're there, navigate to the Explore section. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to dive deeper into specific keywords and topics. Now, it's time to enter your Roblox topic idea. Think of a specific concept you want to explore, like Roblox obby, Roblox horror games, Roblox roleplay, or Roblox trading. Type it into the search bar and click Enter. The aim here is to determine if people are actively searching for your topic. A great way to validate if your idea has potential, right? Once you have your topic of choice, it's important to adjust your filters. Begin with the location. You can choose a city, state, or region that matches where you believe your audience is. Next, set the time range. Looking at data from the last 12 months can help you spot consistent demand, while the last 30 or 90 days might reveal emerging trends. For the category, select Games to ensure your results are tailored towards gaming content. Lastly, decide on the search type. While web search is standard, YouTube search might give insights into video content trends. With your filters ready, analyze the interest over time graph. Set it to either past 12 months or past 5 years to gain a broader perspective. Look for upward or steady trends, indicating a good demand and a safe bet for investment. Spiky trends might signify temporary hype, so further validation may be necessary. Conversely, downward trends could reflect declining interest, suggesting it might not be the best topic to pursue. Next, scroll down to explore related topics and queries. This section reveals adjacent genres and trending Roblox-specific terms. Pay attention to rising or breakout queries, as these signal growth and could inspire fresh content or game ideas. For instance, if Roblox obby shows a breakout query for Roblox parkour, consider creating content with that angle. Lastly, for an in-depth comparison, use the +compare function to test multiple Roblox topics side by side. This allows you to gauge which concept has the highest demand, helping you focus your efforts more effectively. In conclusion, validate and plan your strategy by selecting topics with high search volume, consistent or growing trend lines, and rising related queries. This will guide your Roblox game development, YouTube content creation, and social media posting strategies, ensuring your time and resources are well spent.